Do you know that productivity flourishes in environments where creative thoughts bloom, distractions are minimized, and healthy atmospheres invigorate us? Many modern workplaces are cleverly designed for employee productivity, but our study spaces lack these innovations. Luckily, those of us who study at home can learn from these revolutionary designs of green, organized, and innovative workplaces. Whether you're studying at home during home-based learning, or you're preparing for examinations, you can benefit from optimizing your study space for serious productivity using these 8 tips. Incorporate your own style. According to a study from the University of Exeter, making design decisions about your study space improves productivity, as well as health and happiness. In fact, the participants were found to have increased productivity of 32%. Think about your personal style. Do you like urban decor, art deco, modern country, or shabby chic? What types of personal items inspire you in your study space? Do personal keepsakes make you motivated and happy? These individual touches will make you more comfortable in your space, which boosts productivity. Apply principles of Feng Shui when positioning your desk. If your study space is making you feel sluggish rather than energized, consider rearranging it according to Feng Shui practices. Feng Shui is a practice that applies spatial arrangement and energy balance for optimum design and layout. The Chinese have been utilizing it for 6,000 years. Feng Shui practitioners believe that positive energy comes from the flow of good qi, and if the arrangement of your study space blocks the flow of it, energy levels are negatively affected. According to Feng Shui practitioners, it's important to place your desk in a commanding position. This position requires that your back does not face the door and that your desk isn't near the door. The best position is diagonal to the room's entrance with you facing the door. It's preferable to have strong backing placed behind you, such as a solid wall, rather than an opening or window. Utilize the color green in your study. Choosing the right paint colors for your study can stimulate your creativity and productivity. According to Feng Shui, green is associated with growth and decisiveness. Green brings forth feelings of calm. Moreover, a study from Stephanie Lichtenfeld at the University of Munich concludes that the color green might awaken creative performance. In the study, researchers found that a glimpse of green spurs the type of pure, open mental processing required to do well on creativity tasks. Include natural light and proper lighting in your study. A study from Carnegie Mellon University indicates that higher lighting levels and daylight simulating fixtures can improve productivity. Furthermore, in a study investigating daylighting in schools, students who studied in classrooms with the largest windows progressed 15% faster in math and 23% faster in reading than those with the lower levels of daylight. If you have the luxury of choosing where your study is located, choose one to optimize light levels and natural light. Locating your study where you receive natural light is a great strategy to boost your productivity. For example, choosing your desk near the windows gives you abundant sunshine. Improper lighting can cause eye fatigue and drowsiness, which hinders productivity. The hue of light is also a factor to take into consideration. Warm color temperatures are calming, while cool color temperatures stimulate productivity. Choosing an LED task light that allows you to change color temperature settings gives you the flexibility to select a suitable light for the task at hand. Take a rest. Do not just work for prolonged hours on your seat without any rest. Make sure you segment your work into various periods, and take a break every hour or so of studying. A 10 to 20 minutes break per hour can go a long way to enhance your productivity, so make sure you don't exhaust yourself by studying for prolonged hours. Clear your study of clutter. When your study space is free of clutter, your mind can think clearly. The first step in clearing your office of clutter is to simply rid yourself of items that you don't need. As for the items you wish to save that you don't use every day, there are many organizing products that are specifically designed to organize them. Clustering your items into groups helps you find items when you need them because it's easy to remember where they're located. Utilize filing cabinets, decorative baskets, and other holders. These organizing items can be both pleasing to the eye and functional. Hence, attractive and organized spaces improve your happiness and productivity. Ensure your study is a dedicated and private space. Distractions from family members, pets, and televisions can hamper your productivity. Have you ever been revising at home and your dog wants your attention or your siblings interrupt you? It's distracting and it hinders your productivity. Set up a dedicated study in the quietest area of your home, which is away from the bustle of everyday life. If a private office is not possible for you, consider purchasing a room divider or shoji screen to cut out the distractions at your home. Ensure family members respect your private time by using a visual cue, such as a "Do Not Disturb" sign, especially when participating on audio and video calls. Improve your home's air quality. According to a study from Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health and SUNY Upstate Medical School, those who work in green environments with better air quality have higher cognitive functioning scores, compared to those working in conventional airtight environments with poorer air quality. The green buildings use low-emitting materials and increase outdoor air, which result in reduced VOC, volatile organic compounds, and CO2, carbon dioxide, exposures. In most home environments, these chemicals are found to be low. However, if you want to improve indoor air quality, there are small things that you can do. For example, the use of indoor plants improves air quality. In addition, keeping your environment clean through frequent vacuuming using a HEPA filter and dusting with non-toxic cleaners results in better air quality. Furthermore, letting in fresh air by opening windows and using ceiling fans to improve air circulation can also be beneficial. That's the end of 8 tips to set up your study for productivity. Hope you find these tips useful, and if you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.